Hi there, I'm Santina from WTI and I want to tell you about these beautiful 14 karat gold studs that I got recently. They are absolutely perfect for what I was looking for. I was looking for something small and delicate and something that could be used both in my second holes or in my bottom holes. These have worked out really well. I love that I can wear some nice hoops or dangles in my bottom holes and these accent them beautifully, or I can just wear them by themselves and they also shine and look absolutely gorgeous. Of course, they're 14 karat gold, so that's been great for me. These have been really wonderful for keeping my ears feeling nice and fresh. They don't feel itchy or red or uncomfortable. They've been just right for that. So overall, they're beautiful, they shine beautifully, they've kept my ears feeling great, and they worked out really well. And that's my point of view.